Experience comfort like never before at Landmark on Grand River in East Lansing, where convenience meets community. Choose from a selection of opulent 1 to 3 bedroom apartments and lavish studios for an exceptional student living experience. Juggle chores easily with an in-unit washer and dryer and dishwasher. Feel immensely comfortable with cool air conditioning and enjoy uninterrupted FaceTimes with free high-speed internet. Power through intense workouts at the fitness centre or enter Zen mode at the yoga studio. Head to the private study rooms when focus mode hits. Grocery shopping has never been easier with a Target store right on site. If you're planning to bring your wheels along, the secure bike storage will keep them safe. With video surveillance and fob secure access, your safety is the top priority. Unlock campus proximity and with Michigan State University and College of Natural Science located just minutes away with several commute options placed nearby for easy travel. Grab your spot at Landmark on Grand River in East Lansing today via amberstudent.com.